Piqua is home to more than 20,000 people. It dates back to 1807 and is filled with plenty of history. There's a lot that makes the city unique, but it's also where several world-renowned businesses are headquartered. Across town sits French oil mill machinery company. That got its start in 1900. At that time, Piqua was in the heart of the flaxseed growing for the country. The company was founded by Daniel French's grandfather, Alfred.
We make hydraulic presses for molding rubber and composite materials, shoe soles, blood stopper tubes, parts for automobiles, parts for the B-2 bomber and the stealth fighter, golf balls, all kinds of things used by our customers all around the world. We're helping people lead better lives. We're helping feed people better, helping them have more efficient and comfortable lives. And so that feels good when you come to work in the morning.
What they make doesn't stop there, but one big point of pride is that this company that's grown, evolved, and innovated and stayed in the family for more than 120 years.
Well, it is. I get a lot of pleasure of pointing to the guys behind me, my reinforcements as I call them, with my grandfather and my father, and now our daughter is the fourth generation to come into the company. 3% of the companies founded in the year 1900 are one still in existence, two still owned by the same family. So that's a pretty small percentage. We're up in the rare atmospheres of percentage.
There's a lot that makes this company fascinating and unique. More than 50% of their business is export, which brings in plenty of foreign money to this community. But the community is something that really sticks out to Daniel.
We've got people who've been here 50 years and 30 years and so forth, families after one another. So we've got a great workforce. It's a great environment. Piqua's a great place to live and work. Not a lot of crime, not a lot of traffic, not a lot of the bad things, a lot of the good things. So it's a great community in which to work.
There's so much to see, explore, and eat in Piqua, and this is simply a taste of what the city has to offer. Reporting in Piqua, James Ryder, News Center 7.